This video will demonstrate the PartsWatch integration with the Nexpart Counter Catalog. This is not an in-depth review of the Nexpart features. That will be covered in other videos provided by WHI Solutions or WHI. On the point of sale screen, look up a customer and click the Catalog button. This will launch the Nexpart Counter Catalog for the selected customer. There is no need to preload all of your customers in Nexpart Admin. This will happen automatically the first time you launch Nexpart Counter Catalog for a customer. There are multiple ways to do a lookup in Nexpart. For this demo, I'm going to use the Smart Search feature. By typing a few fragments of the vehicle and part type, you can quickly get the result that you are looking for. After the catalog result displays, just click the Transfer to DMS button to add the part to the sales order. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, the totals have been updated for the part that was just sold. And if I click the Back to Invoice button, we can see the item is on the sales order. Back in the catalog, there is a location drop-down. By default, you will be selling from the current location, but you can also source from other locations using this drop-down. On the source setup screen, any preferred source that is a store in your system will be available in this location drop-down. If you select one of these other locations and click the Transfer DMS button, the part will be added to the sales order with the buyout modifier. You can also oversell the part and PartsWatch sourcing kicks in. So then you can check the availability in your DC, warehouse, etc. You can do a price edit on the Nexpart Counter Catalog using the Edit button. And if you want to record a lost sale, a back order, or process a core exchange, these options are available in the Transaction Codes drop-down. The DMS toggle button allows you to quickly access PartsWatch functions for each part displayed in the Nexpart Counter Catalog. When you click this button, a menu will display with PartsWatch options. So if you want to see when this customer previously bought the part, just click DMS toggle and select View in Lisa. Then when you close the Lisa screen, you'll be right back in the catalog. The result type dropdown can be used to do a secondary lines or all lines lookup. If you have labor enabled, you can also toggle over to the labor results. Then if you click the Transfer to DMS button, the labor info will be added to the sales order to print on the invoice. If you use the VIN scan option in the PartsWatch mobile app, you can click the VIN button to see the list of VINs that were scanned. And when you select one of these VINs, the vehicle will be loaded in the Nexpart Counter Catalog. When you mouse over the catalog label, you have access to Interchange and Buyer's Guide. We also have a PartsWatch hotkey for interchange. Just press the F12 key anywhere in PartsWatch and you will be taken to the interchange screen. This concludes the Nexpart Counter Catalog integration review.